Hi friends, my name is Ajay Sehgal and I am a certified qualified life coach affiliated to the International Coaching Federation in the US. Giving you all a bit of a background about me. I come with about 27 years of experience in the corporate industry, specifically in the IT and the audiovisual industries. I've worked about 13 to 14 years out of the country, and the rest I have been in India. I have worked with some of the best brands in the IT and AV industries, and I have mentored a lot of teams, both internationally and nationally. Mentored them to be successful, mentored them to become more career oriented, mentored them in line with the organization's culture that they are working for and in line with their career goals, and I've helped them and the organizations to get aligned on the same page so that they can stay loyal to the organization that they are working for. So this has given me an reasonably immense experience of handling people and realizing this particular potential. I started searching and I came across a relatively new profession in India, even though now there is going to be a burst of life coaches. When I did this life coaching, out of the 7 members that we were taking our classes, about 4 of us were Indians. So many people from Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Bangalore to be precise, are turning into life coaches. Not only because it is a good or a relatively new industry, it also helps us as life coaches to help coach and mentor people to come to their full potentials in life. Giving you a bit of a brief about what the process of life coaching is all about. Life coaching is a practical, forward-looking way to gain clarity on what the client believes to be true for his or her life. It is also a powerful support system to keep the client motivated and moving in the right direction. Life coaching is a process which provides an external perspective to the client's life or where he wants to go. Life coaching is motivational, inspiring, positive, exciting, and most importantly, action driven. Life coaching helps the client to look at where they are now in their lives and where they should be, or they should have been, or they would have liked themselves to be. And then it helps to bridge that gap. In this fast-paced and stress-filled world where we are all battling our own individual battles, it is normal to get lost on what our full capability and potentials are. As they say, that sometimes we get lost so much in the woods that we fail to see our own sunlights. A life coach handholds and makes the client identify and address the issues and the blocks, has an action-oriented plan to make the client reach his or her potential dreams. Life coaching aims to draw out a person's potential rather than puts in aims and knowledges from the outside. A life coach will never advise. A life coach may have to counsel, yes, but that counseling will eventually take up the process of coaching. Because counseling only helps you to address the issues and the pains of the past. So then, addressing those issues of the pains of the past, a life coach basically transforms the entire mentality to an action-oriented activity and goals of the future. It develops rather than impose. It reflects rather than directs. Life coaching is a flexible process. It allows for a transition on a personal basis. Friends, as a life coach, we have been trained to be extremely non-judgmental. We do not judge people. Everybody has their own story to say. Everybody has seen and felt life in their own unique way. And every experience of every individual is different because everybody's perspective to an issue is different. Life coaching is an intuitional way forward, and one of the skills that a life coach needs to develop is to listen very actively and very deeply to his client. People don't listen, friends. They listen only to react or to respond. So once again, my name is Ajay Sehgal and I'm a certified life coach from the US, and my details on contacting me, my email ID, my WhatsApp number, the timings that y'all can call me on will be there on a creative followed by this video. Please feel free to call me and talk to me. Thank you so much. Be safe.